learn how to perform DAQmx switch filtering. Since I have no switch module installed on my system, the switch control is showing no option. So let's go to Max, Devices and Interfaces, create new, simulated DAQmx device or module instrument, finish. Select a device that has switch modules supported. Let's configure the device. Let's select all, add them, let's click OK. Let's close Max. And now when we go back to the switch control, options are now showing. So now we can perform IO name filtering. Switch channels. Display only switch channels in the control. Switch relays. Display only switch relays in the control. Allow multiple names allows us to select multiple relays in the browse dialog box by pressing the Ctrl key or the Shift key when we click relay names. Either we can press Ctrl and select non-adjacent relays, or press Shift and select adjacent relays. Switch topologies. Display only switch topologies in the control. Allow undefined names allows us to enter an arbitrary string such as channels on a device not installed in the system. Limit to device. Place a check mark in the checkbox and select a device name to show channels, relays, or topologies from that device only. You can select Browse to select multiple devices. And then options from that device only appears in the drop-down menu.